I'm not gonna waste your time. So if you wanna make your big like this, as you can see, so how I did, I'm not gonna say that I have very big arms, but I can say that I did just beginner level training. So it is, according to my training, is good, is better than before. And I want to increase my training, but that's different topic. So you can also do this in just some weeks, maybe 2 3 at home without any equipment. So the training is very simple. uh, I just I will put in description my training, what I did. You just have to do it every single day. So after 2 or 3 weeks later, you are going to see results. And I'm not saying that if your skin or different type of weight and anything, so you are going to see you need some different time to bulk your arms, but that's okay. This workout is very fast. Then I have researched everything, and I have done research, but none of them work very well to me. And this workout is very big, means it's faster than anything on the internet. I just want to share with you. I hope you will going to see results. I'll put in description my training. Okay, bye. That's all for today.